in the Galwan Valley few days ago in a violent clash between our Indian soldiers and Chinese troops. 20 of our soldiers martyred, 40 of them were injured and 10 were missing. China is building up, encroaching into Galwan Valley, and our Prime Minister has been denying it flatly in the all-party meeting. But the External Affairs Minister and Defence Forces, they have been telling that there is total invasion of Chinese troops into our Indian borders. Why did our Prime Minister allow our soldiers to go unarmed and get themselves killed? Why not the Government of India openly say that there was invasion of Chinese troops into our border and our soldiers have bravely faced them? This is the time for us to remember the soldiers who sacrificed themselves for the nation to save our soil. I salute them. My heart goes to the family members of the soldiers' families, to give them the strength. The Government of India should not shy away from telling openly that there was incursion into our border by the Chinese forces. The images that have been shown in the television clearly mentions that there is built up by Chinese army into our Indian territory, and our government should take all steps to remove them from the valley. Till such time there should not be any talk between Indian government and Chinese forces, Chinese officers.